Hey everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into all things cars. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting midsize trucks on the horizon, the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. This beast is coming soon, and while it's not getting a full redesign just yet, there's still plenty to get excited about. So buckle up, because we're breaking down everything you need to know about this off-road legend. The 2026 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 isn't going to be a completely new vehicle. It's part of the third generation that debuted in 2023, but Chevy has made sure it keeps its reputation as one of the best off-road machines out there. And trust me, even without major changes, this truck is still packed with performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2026 ZR2 will stick with what works: a turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, known as the TurboMax. It cranks out an impressive 310 horsepower and the whopping 430 pound-foot of torque, making it more than capable of handling both daily commutes and extreme adventures. And paired exclusively with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this setup delivers seamless power delivery, whether you're cruising down the highway or crawling over boulders. Now let's talk about why the ZR2 is such a standout when it comes to off-roading. First off, it comes standard with a 3-inch factory lift and high-performance suspension tuned specifically for rough terrain. But the real star here? The Multimatic DSSV dampers, a technology borrowed from race cars that provide unmatched control and stability no matter how gnarly the trail gets. It also rolls on 17-inch wheels wrapped in 33-inch mud terrain tires, giving it incredible traction and durability. And if you want to take things up a notch, the ZR2 offers 5 selectable drive modes, including my personal favorite, Baja mode, which optimizes throttle response and damping for high-speed desert runs. For added confidence, the ZR2 includes front and rear locking differentials for maximum grip, along with beefed-up skid plates to protect vital components from damage. Whether you're rock crawling or forging through rivers, this truck can handle it all. While the 2026 ZR2 won't see any dramatic styling updates, don't expect it to feel outdated either. Rumor has it we might see some fresh exterior color options and possibly new wheel designs to keep things interesting. But honestly, the ZR2 already looks like a monster straight out of the box. Inside, the cabin remains tech-forward and comfortable. You'll find an advanced infotainment system with Google built-in, plus compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also an 11-inch digital driver information center that puts key stats right at your fingertips. Oh, and safety hasn't been forgotten. You'll still get features like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking to keep you protected. But wait, there's more! If you thought the ZR2 was hardcore, rumors are swirling about a potential ZR2 Bison variant for 2026. Developed in collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles, AEV, this version could come equipped with 35-inch Goodyear tires, upgraded bumpers, and other enhancements designed for serious overlanders and trail enthusiasts. Imagine taking this thing deep into the wilderness. It's practically unstoppable. Production for the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado lineup kicks off on July 1st, 2025, so we should start seeing these trucks hit dealerships by late 2025. While it's technically a carryover model, the ZR2 proves that sometimes sticking with what works is the smartest move. So, whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time adventurer, the 2026 Colorado ZR2 promises to deliver unmatched performance and reliability. Keep your eyes peeled for updates, and maybe even that elusive ZR2 Bison, because Chevy isn't done surprising us yet. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments below. Would you choose the ZR2 or hold out for the Bison? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.